Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to group things here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To group things in Canva, you just have to follow these simple steps to combine elements, images, or text into a single unit. Once you're logged into your account, you can either start by selecting a template that you can work with, social media, education, video, marketing, and a lot more. In my case, I'm going to be choosing the social media. You can also start with creating a design here on the upper left corner to start from scratch. But I'm going to click on the create a design using the YouTube thumbnail right here. And then I'm going to add some elements on the left side panel of my dashboard. You see these elements right here? Click that and you have all of these under your perusal. You can use maybe a shape. All right. For example, a shape right here. I'm going to be using a frame instead. And the frame, I'm going to be choosing, let's say, a desktop computer. I'm going to be choosing a mobile phone here, somewhere around here, and a tablet, just around here. And of course, I can add another element like a text. Maybe I'm going to be choosing something like this one, since it's around Halloween. I'm going to resize it to, let's say, 50. I'm going to create another design here. I'm going to hover to the effects, make it a bit different, change of the color. So basically, you can be creative. You're not limited. All right. Now, on this side right here, I'm hovered to the elements. I'm going to drag videos here, videos there. This one right here. This goes here. And of course, I'm going to add a background of my choice. Say, for example, I'm going to be choosing this one right here. Now, for you to be able to group things here, all the elements, all you have to do is press the shift on your keyboard if you're using Windows PC, and then select the element. First is the image, next is this text, next is the video. Click, click. There's going to be a pop-up window that says group. All you have to do is click that, and you would be able to group all of these things together. Now, it's a lot easier when you click on the create a new page, because when you hover down here, if you click on copy, what will happen is you copy the entire elements or things here together in a single click. All right, so these are going to be a lot easier. Grouping elements makes it easier to organize, move, and edit multiple elements simultaneously without having to maintain element. Like if I ungroup this, it's hard to copy this in a single stroke, if you get what I mean. All right, now this method really works well if the elements are scattered across the canvas. All I have to do now is click on play to see if we have grouped the elements together or things in Canva together. And after doing so, the next thing that you need to do, once you're happy with it, click on share, click on download, click on MP4, or you can even share it to your client, to your partner or team collaborator within Canva. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.